Hey, welcome to this video. Obviously, you're watching this video is because you're interested in one of the assets that we listed for sale. This business happens to be an Amazon FBA wholesale business. It sells name brand products. And the only reason that we are selling this business is because we're looking to replace the current owner slash investor. The reason is because they don't have any more capital to scale this much higher. That's literally the only reason why it's stuck at where it's at. If you come in and you are interested in this, we would expect you to have significantly more working capital to run this business and scale it to much higher levels. So currently we're inside the store that's listed for sale. I believe we listed it at 280,000 in sales, it's already at 290,000. Obviously the profit went up from the current listing in the descriptions, but you can scale this to whatever levels you want. You could scale it to 10 grand, 15 grand, 20 grand a month, assuming you have the capital. Benefit of buying this business from us versus any other business you come across that's online is you're not getting rid of the person that actually built it and came up with the ideas. The current owner of the store or any store that Enopoly builds has no decision-making process except to whether yes they want to buy products or no they don't want to buy products. Your only responsibility in this is literally saying yes or no. The employees in your communications chat will tell you, hey, we're looking to buy these new products to add to your catalog, or hey, we need to repurchase products that's already sold in your store. You're looking at about less than 1 hour a week of work. About less than 1 hour a week of work when it comes to running this business, making sure it's good. Your first year of owning this business, you will not have a profit share. This current investor is on a 70-30. They keep 70% of the profit and they pay us 30% for our services. By the time you get into communications with us, if this asset is already sold, don't worry. We have plenty of more stores that we built already that are performing and that you could purchase. Or you can also just purchase a brand new store from ground up and we can go ahead and scale it to whatever levels you want. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot more details of what it's selling and all the profit margins until we do see a proof of funds from you. So all you got to do at this point is go ahead and submit your information. We'll go ahead and reach out to you and we'll schedule a meeting. Have a good day.